Right there. Hey! Okay, here is the word hand. Okay, hand. Sorry. Hand. Correct? And the last one. What do you see here? Right there. Leg. Shoulder is leg. Over here. Leg. Let me fix it here. Okay. Now can you see? Here, what is this, children? Head. Eyes. Mouth. Here, this part. Neck. Nose. Hand. Very good. Okay, children, let me show you some images. Now we're going to learn the words. Say after me, okay? Are you ready? Okay, here, picture one. Okay, here, picture one. Head. Next. Ear. Next. What picture is this? Eye. Again. Eye. Next. Nose. Mouth. Yes, mouth. Hand. Fingers. Yes. Leg. Alright, children. Very good. Let me take you to the TV room. We're going to watch a video about my body, and we're going to have fun, sing up. Right. Okay, let's go together. Now we're going to watch a video about my body.
English sensei.
Let's listen and move your body. Are you ready? Touch your head. Grab your hair. Touch your ears. Touch your eyes. Touch your nose. Open your mouth. Open more. Shake your shoulders.
Shake your shoulders. Shoulders. Shake your shoulders.
Touch your stomach.
Stomach.
Okay, great. Wiggle your hips.
Watching the head and shoulders song. Okay, I want you all make the movement according to the songs. Okay, according to the movement in the video. Ready? Go! Let's enjoy. Alright, children. Now let us fix the body parts of the boy in a paper. Okay, there are body parts next to you. Just fix it wherever it's supposed to be.